Yeah, it's already dead. If you see where the line where I cut the wedge is supposed to fall that way, but given the bend of the tree, the center of gravity wanted to take it that way. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Guess I could have cut the wedge a little bit more to compensate for it. That's why I kind of aimed for there, knowing that it might take a left turn a little bit. But yep, she's good. It's good where she lays. Now I just gotta limb it, cut it up, and split it. Here's a before view of my wood pile from, I think the last time I did anything to this was about 3 years ago. And of course it's had some water on it. I got the tarp over there, but it still gets wet. And these are well seasoned, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these to the front. I'm going to completely move all these off. There's some pallets under there, but they've seen better days. I've got some timbers, some pressure treated lumber over there that's not being used, and some cinder blocks. So I'm going to cinder block this up, put the timbers across, and hopefully keep it off the ground enough to keep it from wicking water up and dry rotting the wood. But anyway, that's my project for the day. And then I get to cut that thing up that I just fell. So I'll show you the end results when I'm done.
There it goes! Watch out!
Now, this isn't the finished product, but you kind of get the gist. Got my logs all, well, mostly split. These are kind of punky, so I'm gonna let them dry out for a year. Got this, I don't know what the heck this material is, but it's some kind of nylon weave, but it does a good job keeping the water shedding off of there. Decent enough for firewood anyway. And I filled this little hutch with split wood, just for quick fire starting. But that's it. That's the wood pile for the year 2019.